with this new change, and every single time it's like 5 to 8% performance gains can be realized if you go into the command shell and type blah 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 blah. It's like, this is not how you review it.
What's going on, guys? It's Jared. I'm back. Haven't made a video in probably about half a year, about 6 months. Now, you know what? I'm kind of getting sick of this whole Ryzen thing. It's all I've been hearing about. My YouTube subscription's just been rising. All these tech YouTubers. I mean, it's a good thing. I'm happy for AMD. I'm happy for some competition. That means new stuff's going to be happening. It's exciting. It's exciting news, but I'm getting sick of it. Although I love tech talk, I just had to turn it off. It's going to be another hour, an hour and a half of just Ryzen, AMD, you know, their usual shenanigans. It is exciting, but I'm excited about something else. I finally got some free time in my life now, so I want to bring you guys some new videos. So I'm a senior in high school right now. I started this channel as a sophomore. It used to be a gaming channel, and I used to just upload these crappy videos, me making fun of myself, basically. It's just cringe compilation over and over and over again. And that was when I had a lot of free time. And as soon as junior year hit and senior year hit and beginning of senior year, I just don't have time. Over the summer I worked a lot. So right now the year's kind of winding down, senioritis is kicking in. Mom, I hope you're not watching this. And I'm excited to kind of start the YouTube channel again, because with all this time coming back up in my life and summer coming, I don't know if I'm going to be working all summer yet, I'm not entirely sure, but I know I'm going to college. I'm kind of set right now, and I want to enjoy myself. I want to enjoy the rest of my high school career. And one thing I do like to do is make you guys videos occasionally. Now, some of them are well received, some of them aren't. My Optiplex videos got 2,000 views, which put a smile on my face. My Slayer video, I mean, beginning of my sophomore year, has got almost 18,000 views. And I just like the tech videos. I don't care about the gaming videos. It's mostly the tech videos I love to do. But a few of my friends have been kicking me in the ass, telling me to, get going on my channel. They want me to make game content, though. I'm like, maybe in my spare time. But this weekend, since I have a lot of free time this weekend, I'm off of work, I'm off of school this weekend, my friends and I decided to have we're gonna have a good old LAN party. You know, Mountain Dew, Doritos, not getting off my ass, putting my phone away, not talking to anybody, just playing some goddamn video games and enjoying my life. But LAN party means, bring my computer to somebody else's house. Now, this is my main rig. This is Bay, RX 480, 4770K at 4.6 gigahertz and a liquid cooler. It's a full metal case, and it's a Asus Tough motherboard. It's like all metal, so it's like super heavy, and I don't want to lug it around. I mean, I've got this whole thing zip tied and beautiful the way I like it. I'm not tearing apart my setup. And now I also have VR, and I have another computer for that. I have 4790K and GTX 970 set up just for my Vive, but I don't feel like tearing that apart either, because that's all set up with my Vive, and I'm not moving that. It's got my Vive applications on it. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass. You have to shut them all off. Screw it. And the last decent computer I have for a LAN party, like my HTPC. Alright, so my HTPC comprises of an i7-920, which you guys know I have a great passion for if you've seen i7-920 video.
What's going on, guys?
Processor first. Has an Intel Core i7. It's a Bloomfield chip. So it's an i7-920. I overclocked to 3.6 gigahertz.
Now, I already have the computer built. I've been playing on it for about a month now. No, not even a month, about 3 months now. But what I want to do is take the computer back apart. I want to dust it all off if there's a lot of dust accumulation. And then cable manage it. I don't want anything getting stuck in the fans. I can hear rattling in there. But I think I'm going to meet you guys at my test bench, and I think we'll start tearing it apart, and I think you guys will like to see it. as you can see, my cable management skills were very lazy on this one, and I don't want to cause a fire hazard or anything with dust buildup, and overall it's just a very lazy cable management job. Alright, let's get back to it. Now because I'm cheap, tape's good enough for this build.
Swirl.
We're splurging. We got the cool duct tape. Allen rigged. Okay, so we're finally here into the Steam overlay. It's not Steam OS, it's obviously Windows, but it boots up into big picture mode. Let me show you guys my system. Alright, so the CPU doesn't come up with 4 cores, 8 threads. It's an i7-920 at 3 gigahertz. Let's see if I can pull it up. 8 gigs of RAM, 780 Ti, and there's driver version, driver date. I wouldn't really care about that. Video memory is 3 gigs. Good enough for 1080p, 4K. We're pushing. We're pushing.